this is very important for us because OpenArt, as I told you, they is a platform that we use for pro making images and videos, and the platforms, because the OpenArt is one of the many that you can find online in this moment. They they make a challenge, and Kling, for example, is one of the software for video. So OpenArt with Kling make a contest, a challenge for creators to participate, and we win the one of the best consistent character, because we look the parameters, the rules, and we start making a video. I'm going to show you in a moment, and that video won the challenge in the category of best consistent character. We win a thousand cash dollars, and the subscription for OpenArt for 1 year. So in that moment, this is the video. Let me put volume.
I imagine things so vividly they feel like memories. Now I can create them. And once they exist, what makes them real? So tell me, what is the difference between memory, imagination, and creation?
Well, so as you can see, this was the first actually consistent character that we have ever tried in our journey, and we were happily won the awards. So we were just so happy because this just show us in the moment that we could actually have money with this kind of
Ability.
ability. So we were just so happy about it because there was not a lot of time that we were just creating content with AI, and we just have won $1,000 cash, which is a really good amount of money. So that was actually something that made us really proud and really happy, and was the push that we needed to keep going and keep trying to connect with brands and close deals and start working with or trying different approaches with AI.